Looking for the best way to stay updated with deep financial news and analysis? A great finance newspaper can give you all the details that you need. Now, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. Now, I know it can be hard to find reliable and detailed financial news, especially when you need real information to make smart choices. But don't worry, the right finance newspaper will give you everything from market updates to in-depth analysis. Okay? So reading these papers will help you to understand the financial world better, whether you're investing, planning, or just staying informed. Okay? So here are some of the best financial newspapers that you should read. Okay? First one, the Wall Street Journal. It's known for its expert reporting and detailed coverage on business, economics, and finance. Another one is the Financial Times. They offer deep insights into global finance, markets, and major economic trends. Okay? Then you got The Economist. Not a traditional newspaper, but they offer excellent financial analysis and reports on world events. There's also Barron's. I'll put this all in the description. They're a great paper for market news, investment tips, and expert opinions on the economy. Reading these newspapers are going to help you stay ahead of the curve and make smarter financial decisions. So start today, keep learning, and if you like this little video, leave me a like. I love you.